As the crowds rocked out at last Friday's 804 Day in Shockoe Bottom, it was, pardon the pun, music to Craig Martin's ears.
We want Richmond to consume Richmond content.
As promoting the sounds of Richmond is what Martin does through the music label he co-founded, Shockoe Records. The label was among those behind the festival, now in its second year, and it coincides with Richmond Music Week that started Sunday. So they're launching a new venture to help promote those bands further.
No offense to Spotify, but we're launching Sound of Richmond, which is hyper-local.
Called the Sound of Richmond, Martin says the music streaming service will feature exclusively Richmond-based artists who might not get as much play on the larger services, but absolutely deserve to.
Anybody who is in the Richmond area who is kick butt and does really good art, music-wise, we're putting them out there too.
He says the service is subscription-based and the artists will get a portion of that. Right now, they have 9 playlists of different genres, including R&B and jazz, country-ish, folk Americana, and rock. As label co-founder Carlos Chafin points out, the Richmond music talent pool is deep.
We have over 500 local bands that write their own music and produce their own albums and music, original material. And that's a shocking number when you hear that.
Martin says the focus at launch is to sign up local businesses who can then play it in their stores.
We have such talent, and I want somebody to walk into a store and go, hey, who is that? And then you'll say, Ant the Symbol.
I love making music.
The very same Ant the Symbol, who is signed to Shockoe Records, says he's been performing for nearly 2 decades and takes all avenues he can to get his music out there.
Oh, it takes a lot of growth and perseverance. Like, this isn't something that's necessarily going to happen instantly for you.
He says he never takes for granted that someone is just finding out about him, so to have another option to get his and others' music out there.
I think it's very, very vital to the Richmond music scene to have something like this, because a lot of people don't know how powerful music in Richmond is, how many people there are doing great, unique music.
And so that people can hear that music for the rest of Richmond Music Week through August 11th, the streaming service will actually be free to use, and you can find out how to do that on our website, WTVR.com. In Richmond, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.